I would like to start off by saying if you have any questions going through this presentation, feel free to put it in the chat, or at the end we will have Q&A. So feel free to hold your questions. We'll be happy to answer all of those then. All right, well, we'll get started here. Welcome to the info session for the MS in Accounting Data and Analytics program here at GGU. So my name is Luke. I am an enrollment advisor and admissions officer here at GGU, and this is our program director. If you would like to introduce yourself. And I'm sorry, I think you're on mute right now. There you go.
Thank you, Luke. My name is Farima Fakour, and I'm the director and chair of the School of Accounting, graduate and undergraduate, and thanks for joining us today.
So here at GGU, we've been serving students since 1901. We are located in downtown San Francisco. We were one of the first universities to offer flexible online programs tailored toward working adults. Our alumni network is 70,000 plus of alumni and professionals. And we have our faculty here are courses that are taught by professors who are leaders of the Bay Area, and of course learn both theory and practice that you can apply in the real world. And I will pass this over to you again.
Thank you, Luke. So let's talk about GGU. Why Golden Gate University? Golden Gate University is a private, nonprofit university accredited by WASC, and it is known for its practical, professionally focused programs. Masters in Accounting and Data Analytics is ranked number 7 in the nation, and the university is pretty well known among the CPA firms in the financial district in San Francisco and other states. So the university offers small class size, allowing for more direct interaction with your professors and with your peers, a lot of networking opportunities, and the modalities that we offer are pretty flexible. We have online classes, we have Zoom classes, we have hybrid classes to accommodate our international students and veterans for residency requirements. Basically, our programs are designed for working adults so students can balance their work schedule, their professional life with their education. And also, I know as an adult student, they have a lot of personal commitments. So what we offer here at GGU really accommodates this category of students, which are professional adults. Next. Thank you. So let's take a look at our program. The Master of Science in Accounting and Data Analytics, for short MSADA, bridges advanced accounting curriculum and concepts with data analytics. And basically, it equips you with essential skills that now the industry is looking after. So not only you get the knowledge to compete in the evolving realities in the profession, the MSADA develops the students' understanding of accounting and data analytics concept beyond the theory that you will read in the textbook. So you get practical application, and this training, this education really positions you to become leaders in the field. Our students will explore the use of innovative technologies. We have courses in AI for tax and audit and accounting, business automation processes to increase operational effectiveness. And this efficiencies is what the industry is looking for. Our curriculum are developed based on the feedback we get from the leaders in the big 4 and mid-sized CPA firms. So we develop our curriculum to train our students to be able to provide the set of skills that are demand in the industry. So what we have on the slide, 30 units total. So you have to have 15 foundation units, 15 units for foundation courses, 18 advanced program, and then 12 for electives. We already talk about class formats. We have online classes. You can attend anytime you wish. There is no set time for basically attending to the class and doing your work. We have hybrid courses, as I mentioned, is really there to help our students who are on F1 visas or they're veterans so they can meet their residency requirement. We do not require GMAT or GRE, so you can start our program by just simply applying to the program and providing your transcripts, a letter of intent, and resume. You can finish this program in 2 years if you do part-time, and if you want to do it full-time, you can finish it as fast as a year, I would say. So spring term applications, the final deadline is December 14. Early deadline is November 9th. Our classes start January 11th. Is there a GPA requirement? If you don't mind, we will answer all these questions at the end. So let's take a look at the program highlights and what we offer here. So MS in Accounting Data Analytics at GGU basically offers you 4 different directions. So this is a graduate program for students who want to develop both advanced accounting knowledge and the in-demand data analytics skills. So one major advantage of our program is that it is a STEM designated program. So this is a big plus for international students. It qualifies you for OPT extension, allows for more time to gain US work experience after graduation. And if you wonder what is OPT, that is optional practical training. So another key point before I take a look at the some of the bullet points we have on this slide is that it helps you to meet the requirement for the CPA exam, 150-hour requirement to obtain the CPA, which is essential for whoever wants to become a CPA in the US. And bear in mind, the CPA exam requirements are changing in January. So if you want to just get your license with 1 year of work requirement for the license, you need to do the MS degree in order to meet the requirement. If you just go with your undergrad, and that undergrad needs to be accounting and have all the course requirements, then you would need 2 years of experience. But this change is not in place right now. It would be it would be a requirement starting in January, and there are still some conversations about it. So our program helps you to meet the requirement, 150-hour education. Another point that I want to mention to you, which is important, I don't know what is your interest at this point. You want to go for audit, you want to just be in advisory, you want to do consulting, you want to do tax, whatever you want to do. Maybe you just want to do data analytics in the future in the field of accounting. So all these areas are heavy in accounting and both data analytics, and these skills are highly valued. So you will get a hands-on experience on Python, SQL, Tableau, and data mining, visualization, predictive modeling. So as I mentioned, I just added a new course on AI in accounting, tax, and audit. And we are working on another AI course, which is AI agents. And this is a very exciting area, and I'm working on it currently, and it could be ready to go for students in the spring term. So whatever your goal is to sit for a CPA exam or advance your current career, whatever you want to do, I am very confident that the degree we are offering here at GGU will help you to achieve your goals. And also, again, I want to mention and re-emphasize MSADA is a really cutting edge program. And if you want to compare the courses we offer in this program, for example, with other universities in San Francisco, you can see the courses that we are offering are more technical and more on demand by the industry and not just simple accounting courses, which can also be taken in an undergrad program. Next, please. The GGU difference. What makes GGU's MS ADA stand out? I'm going to really retouch on some of the items that I mentioned. Hybrid of accounting and data analytics. Students will get data analytics training hands-on and become experts on it in conjunction with accounting field. Our courses are taught by experts in the field, are led by CPAs, CFOs, and data professionals who work in Bay Area firms and bring real-world projects into classroom. For example, Dr. Shalini Golpar, she has a PhD in the field, and she leads my technical courses and AI courses. And she's super current and very well known in the field. Flexible format, we talked about it, is our courses are very flexible. If you have a full-time job and you want to take all our courses online, you can definitely do that. There is no required residency on campus. You don't even have to step on the campus to take exams, so everything will be online. If you like a mix of everything, you can do that also. You can take CPA courses via Zoom, and that's the only modality we offer that those courses in the CPA applied concentration. You can have residency 2 to 3 times a term on campus if you are F1 or veteran. So a lot of flexibility, and you can basically design the degree modality wise in any way that you wish. Some of the curriculum highlights, accounting data management, data analytics for accountants, audit analytics, emerging technologies in accounting, and we have capstone projects, for example, in these courses, basically that gives you hands-on experience and you can actually do the work. So it's not just doing homework and take exams. You do have capstone projects in these courses. Next, please. Let's take a look at the curriculum here. We have foundation courses, 15 units. You could be coming to us with an undergrad degree in accounting, and you may have the foundation requirements, the 15 units, which are Accounting 1A, 1B, Accounting 100A and B, and the audit course, Accounting 111. These courses can be taken at GGU if you're coming to us with a degree that is not in accounting. I have had the students with music background, with political science background, all sort of background, marketing, engineering, that they want to change career and they want to do accounting. So the curriculum, the foundation curriculum can be taken at GGU, can be taken in a community college if that's what you wish to do, and they are usually transferable to GGU. We accept them. And then after you have the foundation requirements, you have to start on core advanced courses. Accounting 300, which is accounting research and communication. 336, intro to data analytics for accountant. Automation and innovative technologies. Those are the courses that I have really experts in the field teaching those courses. 351C, which is analysis of financial information for accountants. Then we have 12 units of electives. You can have the advanced analytics for accountants, which is a STEM designated concentration. You can have CPA applied accounting concentration, which you take 4 courses. And those 4 courses not only meets the requirement for your MSADA degree, but also preps you for the CPA exam. Preps you for the CPA exam. I have Professor John Lord teaching the CPA exams. He is a veteran in the field of accounting. He has been teaching CPA courses at Becker for years, and he is using the same material teaching our students in that concentration, CPA applied accounting. Essentials of leadership, you take 4 courses in the leadership area. I would say not a lot of students do that unless they have already a degree in accounting and they want to get some leadership training. And then we also have taxation concentration. So the 4 courses that you will take in that concentration is going to be focused on tax. And if that is something you wish to do, you can do that. We do have a lot of accounting students that do come to us already with a CPA license, and that taxation concentration could be something that they are interested in. Next, please.
All right, thank you so much for that. So yeah, for the admissions requirements, we do require a bachelor's degree from a regionally accredited U.S. institution or its equivalent. Require a cumulative GPA of a 3.0 or higher. If it is a little bit lower, you can provide that in your statement of purpose that will be needed when you submit an application. This is just a page explaining why you're interested in the program, and if your GPA was a little bit low. We also require a resume once you submit your application. So resume, statement of purpose, and then official transcript, of course. And then the skills for success are strong quantitative writing and computing skills are important for thriving in a competitive, dynamic learning environment. And here for financial aid, if you have any questions about financial aid, you can go to ggu.edu. And then we also have the FAFSA code at the bottom right here if you'd want to jot that down. That is 001205 for the FAFSA code if you are funding with FAFSA. And for the next steps here, like discussed earlier, our spring application deadline is coming up. That is November 9th. However, the final deadline is December 14th. So if you're interested in the spring term, we encourage you to submit that application. It typically takes about 10 minutes to submit that application. However, you do need to do this in one sitting as you're not able to return back to it once started. So once that application has been fully submitted, you'll receive a decision, or at least an enrollment advisor will reach out within 48 hours of that application being submitted. And if you're interested, you can go to ggu.edu/apply. Of course. Well, thank you guys for attending today. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot over an email to either of those, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you guys for attending again.
Thank you.